Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this Rally Red Civic Sportline. Now of course you'll notice you do get LED daytime running lights. You also get 4 front parking sensors, and you do of course get your halogen fog lights as well. You also get these brilliant 18-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. All of these have been freshly refurbished as part of the vehicle's preparation work, so there will not be a single nick or scratch on them at this moment in time. However, walking around to the rear, you'll notice that you get 4 rear parking sensors and a reversing camera, of which you can see the reversing camera is just up top here. Into the tailgate now, as you can see, we have got plenty of room in here. We've also got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, as they do fold flat with this level just here. You've got a 12-volt power outlet just up there as well, in case you want a cooler box in the tailgate at any point. Just showing you the rear alloy here now. In the back of the car, as you can see, we have got your full leather interior with ISOFIX mounting points down at the bottom. With this being the Sportline, you'll notice that you do also get your red stitching as well. We've got 4 electric windows all around, and all of which are automatic. But jumping into the front of the car, as you can see, we have got your electric handbrake with brake hold just here. We've then got your economy mode and your stop start on or off. We've got a 6-speed manual gearbox with dual climate control in the front, and as you can see, we have got your touchscreen display in the middle. This comes with your satellite navigation, your Bluetooth hands-free, and of course all of your various audio sources just there. Over to the steering wheel now, we've got your audio controls on the left with your volume, onboard computer, voice assistant and your Bluetooth hands-free. These arrows here do work between your infotainment system and your onboard computer up at the top. We've got your cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side, which comes with your distance control and lane keep assist. We've then got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 40,963 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic Sportline, don't hesitate to contact our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.